Once again, we're working on Delilah, and this time it's not even in my garage. We're out in the middle of nowhere, but I need to try and fix this, and I figured I'll try and show you how to do it. Best case scenario, you learn how to change the lights on an L300, and I get my lights working. Worst case scenario, you get to see me try and diagnose this with pretty much no tools, and I don't get it fixed. Either way, we gotta get going, because sun's going down. If your Delica's running the stock bull bar, you don't need to worry about clearance or anything. You'll be able to get a screwdriver right in here. I got my bar in the way, and the screwdriver doesn't actually fit. So what I've got here instead, the 7mm socket on one of my driver bits. No, this is not supposed to be a 7mm, but it's the only thing I've got that sorta kinda fits. First thing we need to do to get the light out is to get this trim panel off. To get the trim panel off, you've got a couple of screws right up front here that you need to access first. So let's get those out of the way. Once you got those two front screws out, you should have one right here. Apparently I don't have one. So that means this whole assembly. Come out. Don't forget to remove your marker light. I find it simple enough to just rotate the lights out. And then move them out of the way. Once we have our corner light and trim off, we have very easy access to the next bolts. We have two here on the side, 1, 2, and then a third right in the front. So you need a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet, and these come off very easily. And that's how you get the headlight assemblies out. It's only a few screws and bolts, and the whole thing pops out and gives you access to the back. Luckily, it looks like for me, the issue is pretty simple. Disconnected headlights don't tend to work very well, so I'm gonna hook those back up and give it a test. If you were changing the bulbs though, you'd have to go a little bit farther. These caps are quarter turn caps, so just rotate and pull it off. You can see the locks here line up with these little slots here. To remove the bulbs themselves, there's a retaining clip right here. Push it down, push it over, and then pull it up. And that will release the bulb. Same deal for the low beams. Fortunately mine are all pretty broken up. This is a later project to clean up. Obviously, this isn't the ideal place to try and fabricate new parts. But hopefully at least this gives you a good idea how to get the headlight assembly out, and if you need to, change the bulbs. For me, like I said, I'm just gonna plug that back in, give it a test. If it works, reassemble, and we're good to go. I know this is a pretty unorthodox place to be doing a how-to video, but I figured if I had to pull out the headlights, I may as well show you how I'm doing it anyways. I was planning to do this video later on when I go to fix the headlamps in the back, because you saw they're pretty taped up, but hey, necessity drives things, right? At least now you know how to remove the headlamp assembly if you need to. Anyways, this project's finished. If you enjoyed, please hit that like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Have a good one.